It's day 44. The Cult of Benevolence has shared more technology with me. They still haven't messaged me yet, but they're definitely trying to curry favor. Um, the mercenaries have finally responded to my message uh, about being an ally. They first want to know who we plan to attack first. So now it's got me thinking how I can control the situation, because I definitely want to remain allied to Mashiropan because I'm getting so much technology through them. So I'll have to figure out what to say to make that swing my way. And since Mashiropan trusts BattleHazard more, we split the universe in two. We would want BattleHazard and Mashiropan together, I think. But I feel like it would be hard to convince them to attack West, because it might not feel fair to them. So they might be more inclined to attack straight north. But I also don't want to get anyone to attack too early, because we don't want all four of the big players to turn on us. And so I've been looking at the graphs, and I've figured out that the big four nations have some tech strategy. Mashiropan is researching banking nonstop. BattleHazard is researching manufacturing nonstop. Ferengi is researching weapons nonstop. BattleHazard doesn't seem to have a plan. Sorry, not BattleHazard. Black Hole. I didn't see anything in the graphs that made it look like they were sticking to any one particular research. But I think I was focusing in terraforming for a while, or experimentation, but since I keep buying research, it probably makes more sense to go into terraforming, since I do a lot of investment into my planets. StarLover is starting to play defensively, and that's getting kind of annoying. Looks like he's going to turtle up over here, and that sucks for me, but it's just the way it panned out. All right, that's day 44.